Assalamu alaikum students. This is the first video of chapter 3 exercise 3.4. We will start from question number 1, which is evaluate by parts. First part is integral x sin x dx. Now we are using a simple formula which is known as I late, in which first I represent inverse, L represent logarithmic, A represent algebraic, T represent trigonometric, E represent exponential. The function who comes first will be categorized as first. As we see here, x sin x. Here x is the algebraic and sin x is trigonometric. So according to this formula, I am substituting x as first function and trigonometric or sin x as second function, because algebraic A comes first. That's why I have taken algebraic function as first function and sin x as second function. Now integrating by parts, it is first function as it is integral of second negative integral bracket integral of second into derivative of first dot dx. It can be read as x integral sin x dx negative integral bracket integral sin x dx into derivative of x into dx. Now taking integral of x sin x, we get negative cos and x will be written as same. So it is negative x cos x negative integral negative cos x into 1 dx. Now it can also be written as negative x cos x plus integral cos x dx. Taking integral of cos, we get negative x cos x plus sin x plus c, which can be written as sin x minus x cos x plus c. Moving on to part number 2, which is ln x dx. Now here the second function is not given, so we will assume 1 as second function and ln x as first. Now integrating this, ln x dot 1 dx. As we have stated earlier that ln x is our first function, so ln x integral dx negative integral bracket integral dx into derivative of ln x dot dx. Integrating, we get ln x into x negative integral x into 1 over x dx. X ln x negative integral dx, which is equal to x ln x negative x plus c. Moving on to part number 3, which is integral x ln x dx. In this we are substituting ln x as first function and x as second function. Now integrating by parts, we get ln x integral of x dx negative integral bracket integral x dx into derivative of ln x. Ln x into x square by 2 negative integral x square by 2 into 1 over x dx. Ln x into x square by 2 negative 1 over 2 is taken as common and x is cancelled by this square, so it leaves us with integral x dx, which is further simplified as x square ln x by 2 negative 1 over 2 dot x square by 2 plus c. Now take x square by 2 common, so taking x square by 2 common, which leaves us as in bracket ln x negative 1 over 2 plus c. Moving on to part number 4, which is integral x square ln x dx. Putting ln x as first function and x square as second function, integrating by parts, we get ln x integral x square dx negative integral bracket integral x square dx into derivative of ln x. Integrating, we get ln x dot x cube by 3 negative x cube by 3 into 1 over x dx. X cube ln x by 3 negative 1 over 3 is taken as common and this value cancels this cube, so we get integral x square by dx, which can be further written as x cube ln x by 3 negative 1 over 3 x cube by 3 plus c. Taking x cube by 3 as common, we get x cube by 3 into ln x negative 1 over 3 plus c. Part number 5, which is integral x cube ln x dx. Taking ln x as first function and x cube as second, integrating by parts we get ln x integral x cube negative integral bracket integral x cube dx into derivative of ln x dx. Ln x integral of x cube is x4 by 4 negative integral x4 by 4 dot 1 over x dx. Ln x x4 by 4 negative 1 over 4 taken as common and x4 is cancelled by this x, which remains integral x cube dx. Integrating again we get x4 ln x over 4 negative 1 over 4 x4 over 4 plus c. Taking x4 over 4 common, now the answer is x4 by 4 into ln x negative 1 over 4 plus c. Moving on to part number 6, which is integral x4 ln x dx. Taking ln x as first function and x4 as second, integrating by parts we get ln x integral x4 negative integral bracket integral x4 dot dx into derivative of ln x dx. Ln x dot x5 over 5 minus integral x5 over 5 into 1 over x dx. x5 ln x over 5 minus 1 over 5 as common integral x4 dx. x5 over 5 ln x negative 1 over 5 x5 over 5. Taking x5 over 5 common, which leaves us x5 over 5 into ln x negative 1 over 5 plus c.